Hi everybody. One of the big subjects that we talk about in the Vision Studio showroom is home automation. There's a lot you can do, and in some cases actually a lot you can't do. So it's going to depend entirely on the project, whether it's a new build, whether it's a renovation, as to what can be done. One of our high-end automation offers is a product called C-Bus. Now C-Bus is a fully integrated automation system. It's a hard cabled system. It's designed specifically for new builds or renovations where we do have access to the cabling around the house. So one of the things that we often talk about is all the different things that we can do with smart home control or home automation. So we can control all the lights in the room or the house. We can control all the blinds. We can control LED strips. We can do TVs, audio, video, irrigation, alarm systems, cameras, you name it. The list is pretty much endless. So when it comes to home automation, it can be quite a big subject and it can be a little bit daunting to think about. So we've got a couple of things set up in the showroom here that we can demonstrate. So all the curtains in behind me here, they're fully motorized. So if I click on my blinds on the app here, dining room up. Fantastic feature, I love these things. And when it comes to lighting control, we can control lights individually or we can control them as groups. So when it comes to lighting control, I've got a scene set up in here. So a scene is like a group control of a number of different things happening all at once. If I go into my scenes and I click on my cooking scene, we can see what happens in the room. So blinds come down, most of my lights go out, concentrate the light in the kitchen there, and I had a little bit of fun colour with the LED strips above the bench there and under the island. So that's effectively my cooking scene. So it's going to do what you preset in order for it to do. You could do this with standard light switches and controls, but you'll be there for 20 minutes trying to flick switches, dim them up, dim them down, turn them on, turn them off. This is a group control. This enables you to do everything at once. The other scene that I can demonstrate here is my dining scene. So let's say we've finished cooking, we're ready to sit down and relax at the table with a beautiful meal. So if I click on my dining scene, we can see what happens. So dining room table illuminates there. All the lights in the kitchen goes out, quite a nice little intimate setting. So that's quite easy to do with smart home controls or home automation. Like I say, it depends what you want to do, how much you can do, where the budget sits. But first and foremost, come and see us here at the PDL Vision Studio showroom. Bring in your plans, bring in your ideas, and we can have a bit of a talk about how we can help.